Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. I've already shown you the recipe of a Nali Nihari on this channel, but since I have got a few requests to show the Chicken Nihari, let's see how to make a quick Chicken Nihari recipe. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, I'm going to add 4 sliced onions and fry them till they are nice, crisp and golden brown. Adding salt to the onions at this point of time will fasten the process of browning the onions. So let's quickly add a teaspoon of salt. The onions are fried to a beautiful golden color and they're looking quite crisp as well. Let's quickly add a kilo of chicken to this. Let's sear the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. I want its juices to get trapped. The color of the chicken is also turned to a beautiful brown. Let's add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and let's saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Here I have the Nihari Masala. The recipe for this is going to be given in the description, so don't worry. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Nihari Masala. Quickly mix this. What an amazing aroma. It's time to add the yogurt. Here I have a cup of yogurt which I'm going to add to this. Let's saute this on a medium to low flame till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. Let's add a liter of water to this. Adjust the salt. We'd already added a teaspoon of salt earlier. Mix this well. And let's cover this and cook till the chicken is done. "15 minutes are done. We'd kept the chicken to cook and the chicken is cooked as well. I can see the meat is off the bone. So what I'm going to do is simply remove this layer of oil that's floating on the top aside. We're going to use this when we are garnishing the Nihari. To add a little body to this gravy, I'm going to add some wheat flour paste. So I've added 2 tablespoons of this wheat flour paste. And we just mix this well and cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes on a low flame. We kept the chicken nihari to cook for 5 minutes and it is done. So let's remove this in a serving bowl. The oil that we had previously removed from the gravy, we're just going to pour it on the nihari to give it that beautiful glaze. Sprinkle some chilies on this, finely chopped chilies, some ginger juliennes, freshly chopped mint leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and our chicken nihari is ready to be served. I'm going to quickly serve this with some parathas. You can also serve this with some naan, kulchas, or just simply dunk in the bread of your choice and relish this. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.